Mag-fishing na kami ni Habi. Meron na siyang permit for fishing. Oh, my love. Permit. And then, bibili ng, ayan, what do you call that one? My love. That one.
Fishing pole.
Fishing pole. 49, 52, 69. The price. Meron 98, 68. Oh my. Oh, there's some fishing pole.
Without the reels though.
They still have.
You see this?
Where? What is that?
Bamboo.
Bamboo? Oh wow.
Bamboo poles.
9.6. 96.
$9.96.
Yeah.
Under $10. But
Yan mga gamit guys para sa
they don't have
fishing.
any eyes on them or nothing. That's just to put the line on.
That one. We're going to that one only.
Okay.
That one. There's a handle. So we're going to. But $20, 27,
24.
24. Ganito yung gawain nila
26.
pagka summer guys.
24.
Mag-fishing. Fishing net. Oh, this one may love, oh. 54. Before, what the fishing pole that you are using?
A big one.
Where?
I think it's in my other car.
No more.
I think it is. Still, I'm not sure.
What is this? This is the food?
That there is the
Ay,
bait.
ay.
They're not real. They're plastic. But the fishes bite them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How much is that? 24?
24.
Yeah. That one. This one is 23.
How much is that blue in there?
Where? This one? This one? I don't know. That one? 54?
No.
I don't know.
Because it's the same as this one here.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe that one may have color blue. 40.
Oops, excuse me. Sorry.
24. This one. It's 24.
Okay, and that one there's 20.
Where? Yeah. 20.
Oh, maybe not.
Why?
There's somebody's got it put over here.
54. I think that is 54.
Because, see, inside 54. Somebody just put that over
Yeah. That is 54.
there. Yeah.
This color blue is okay.
Yeah, if that's right.
That's okay, my love. That's 24.
Oh, maybe it is. Okay.
That is okay.
You know why?
What? Why did you remove that? Ah, you are going to transfer the handle? Can't change?
Huh.
Hmm.
Well, how do you change it? Oh. Okay. Because I'm a left-hander fisher.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, my love.
Okay. Bye.
Nini. Good morning, everyone. We are here again at the Walmart. Jasmine, our favorite rice. How many, my love? Left 2. Two. Yes, yes. Ah,
To look at it, the oil is fine. favor diciendo, yo le hice ese favor. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we will go down here and get the juice and go. We don't need no raisins, do you? Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my.
What are you looking for?
Hi! Yes. Oh my, it's so funny. Nakaharap na sa akin yung hinahanap ko. We seen each other again. That's nice. One, my love. When?
How much?
I didn't check. 7.
Huh?
Arizona green tea. How many? My love. How many?
Okay, there's the lemon up there.
Where is the lemon?
Remember?
On that one?
Uh-huh.
How many that?
About two
Yeah.
of those.
The, 2 of these?
Yeah, right here. And one of this here. Is that okay? Or maybe
Okay.
2 of these.
Yeah.
2 of these?
Yes.
Oh wow. You're lonely. Okay, it's alright. So we're gonna get that over where Holly works.
Ah, okay.
Oops.
Like that side.
We'll keep this out so if we get asked to see.
Yeah. We have receipt.
Thank you again.
And
Oh, different one.
yes.